I have some path lights in the front, and one of them got knocked by maybe a child or something playing football, who knows, and I thought we'd find the piece that was missing, but after a couple months it didn't show up, and I thought, you know what? I think we can 3D print this to fix it. The part we were missing is actually 2 rubbery pieces and 1 little clear tube, but it turns out we were only missing 1 of the rubbery pieces because the other one was stuck in here, so this is what we need to print. So I got out my calipers, I measured it, and then we modeled it in Fusion 360. And this is a really easy model and not hard to do. If you're interested in knowing more about that, let us know. We'll do a follow-on video. And now we had to print it. 1 piece in TPU, and in this one, I printed it in PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate, otherwise known as acrylic. This is from Push Plastic. It's a PMMA, and it's really clear, so we're going to try this out and see if it works. So this acrylic has really good transparent properties. All right, and this is the TPU. Let's see. Oh, it came right off. And let's see if it fits in. Look at that! All right, let's put the old one on. Yes. Let's stick it in. All right, let's take it outside. Let's see if this fits. Done. Nice. On Filament Stories, we do a lot of fun prints to show off the filament, but I really love it when we have an opportunity to use filaments to actually repair stuff or fix stuff or do something meaningful, and this was one of those prints.